Hello, hello. In today's episode, we are gonna find a vent that is being open. Let's see what we find. Looks like it's a lot of dust there. I don't know about you guys, but when I see these videos, I just feel itchy, like I'm about to sneeze. Let's see what we find. Looks like he's trying to remove the cover. Okay, he got it. Great. Look at that. That's crazy. Well, let's see what he's gonna do next. All right, so we continue, guys.